Hey guys, just wanted to shoot a quick comparison between three different chainsaw chain brands. So I needed to replace the chain on my 14-inch Greenworks electric chainsaw. And it's the first time I've had to do that. So I got three different brands and I've been looking at them. Here's the old original chain here. And then I've got the KAKEI brand on there right now. It has cut phenomenally, much better than the original, even when it was brand new. I mean, there's not much to these chains, but you know, you can tell when you get a premium chain on there, it's just going to cut better. It's going to flow better, not be as loud, all that kind of stuff. Then I've got the Neo-Tec is the other one here, and the Oregon one. And I think they're all going to pretty much do the same. I can tell you right now that just seeing them all in person, I think that the KAKEI is probably the highest end one, then the Neo-Tec, then the Oregon one. That's just based on just the feel and touch of it. I can just tell like which ones have better swivels and all that stuff. And I think they'd all three do a great job. I think this one would cut just as good probably as this one or close to it. I think it'll be a little bit louder and won't last quite as long, just based on my use of chains and chainsaws in the past, and just looking at the quality of it. So but all three are really great options. So if one's a better deal than the other on Amazon or something, I'd snatch up any of them. I'm going to use all three of them without even blinking. But yeah, anyways, hope this video helps.